You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Rhianne, how to pronounce. It's generally pronounced as Rhianne. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Rhianne, Ryan? Let us know in the comments. Most common pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Rhianne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.